everyone, so today's a video we're gonna unbox this last box of shoes. So I'm so excited. What is this? So it's gonna open. This is my new look this time, but for now I'm gonna keep it for a while so I don't have to go on shower. No, I have to do shower, but then for the hair I will not wet my hair for the meantime. Then I can use this one for my vlog. So by the way, I received a lot of shoes package from followers almost daily, and yesterday I received one of these shoes. So we're gonna open this together. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you what I unboxed last time. So for now, I'm gonna show this one. I have the scissors, so let's just use the scissor to open. By the way, I saw already what's inside, but then I want to show you what's inside. So let's see. And it's gonna fit this on together with my outfit today. This is my outfit. So, and also this is the shoes we're gonna fit this on. This is my new look for today. I removed already my braids in my hair. And then here it is. So my hair is not too long now because of this curly hair. So for now, I have with me the box, the plastic. This one we're gonna unbox, and the rest of the shoes I'm gonna show you also because I already unboxed that before, and I did not upload yet. But for now, I'm gonna show this one, and let's gonna open it. Even though I see what's inside, but I want to show you what's inside. So this is it, and here we go. Because sometimes I make mistakes by unboxing, so I was like, I opened it already, but then I will just like doing it again for you guys. So this is what we have, and we're gonna fit this one, including with my outfit for today. So this is the shoes. I'm back. So if you want to donate some shoes, just message me to my course vlog. That is for my driving videos. So I'm gonna use these shoes for my driving videos, and you can watch it later in my channel. And then for custom video, you can also message me to my Facebook page. And then thank you all for the love and support, everyone, and see you next vlog. Bye. Oh my God, what happened?
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.